Oh, how you will talk to him? He's sleeping. Huh? Dada is sleeping. He is sleeping. Oh. Sleeping, anak. Kala kinakalabit niya yung dada niya. Oh. Hulo. Wawa naman yung bebek ka. You want to talk to dada? Ah, dada is sleeping. Oh. Hmm. You want to play with dada? Oo. Oh, naman yung bebe, oh. Lalap pa yung bebe sa dada, oh. You playing with dada? Dada is sleeping. Dada. Dada, I'm talking to you, Dada. Say. Tuwan-tuwa yung anak ko, oh.